Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to get CapCut Pro for free. Okay, you don't need to pay, so let's quickly go to Play Store. So you want to type CapCut. So first of all, I will install the normal CapCut on my device. Do you understand? The one you normally use, which is the free version. So here is it. So I'll click on OK just to install it. So just go to your Play Store, search CapCut. So actually this is not the one we'll be making use of. I'm just trying to download this one because I don't have it on my device, so that you can see how the free version is before we now move to the pro version. So let's wait for it to download. So while we wait for it to download, please and please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please, I want you to subscribe. You know, I'm not charging you anything for this, so please and please, I'm begging you. So just hit that subscribe button, like the video, share and comment, please. It will really help this video to go far. So let's wait for it. So most of you guys have been paying people to get CapCut, and this video is going to be really helpful to you. Sorry. So let's wait for it to download. So it's installing. Let's wait for it. So as a video editor or as a content creator, you need CapCut Pro for your project. Do you understand? So you getting it free of charge can actually ease your work, you know, without you spending. So now let's click on open. So like I said earlier, this is the free version, right, that we are doing first. So you click on that. So I click on that create, then skip this one. So this is the interface of the free version of CapCut. Okay, so let me scroll so that you can see some stuff. Then I click on, as you can see, it pops up this sign in and claim this offer, free pro for up to 30 days. So this is the free version, right? This is the free version. Then I'm going to click on that new video. I'll click on that new video, then click on allow, cancel this one. So let me just select any random video. Okay, let me select this one. So I click on add. So let's wait for it. So this is them just trying to guide you because this is your first time. You get, just cancel that one then. So this is the video. So I'm going to try and add an effect right now. Do you understand? And as you can see at the top of the screen, you are seeing the diamond logo, which representing the pro version, right? That means they are asking you to get a pro version. So let me just walk you through this free version first before we move to the pro one. So this is the trending section. Don't forget we are under effect. You get, so as you can see, these things are labeled pro. They are labeled diamond, which represent pro, right? So the meaning this version of CapCut is not pro version. As you can see, they won't allow us to make use of this thing. So let me just try and use one effect. So check this one that looks like fire. This explosion, is it explosion or something? Then let me scroll down if I can see. Okay, that's explosion. So let me look for, yeah, let me use this one. So let's try this one if it's going to, I know CapCut is not going to allow me to export this thing because I'm using the pro feature. Do you get? So I'm just trying to do this so that you can, you know, you can confirm it from the beginning of this video to the end. And please, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end. You need to watch it from beginning to the end, because if you don't watch, there is no way you are going to get this. So I'll click on that 540, that 540p. Then this 25 is okay by me. And yeah, let's just, can you see you are using a standard feature which belongs to the pro version, so they won't allow you to export this one unless you pay. So you can actually bypass this thing. Do you get? You can actually get access to, can you see it's still saying the same thing? So they will not allow you to export. So you can still get another CapCut app that will still work perfectly. Do you get? That will still work perfectly. So now let me quickly Okay, first of all, you need to uninstall. Please, you need to uninstall the CapCut already on your phone. Do you get? So once you uninstall, sorry, before you uninstall it, tap and hold it, and you see app info. Click on it. First of all, clear the cache, then clear the data. Like I just did now, clear the data. Then once you are done clearing the data, you now uninstall it. Tap and hold it again. Click on uninstall. So you uninstall it. So that's the first thing you need to do. That's the first thing you need to do. So now I've already created a Telegram group where I drop the APK of this CapCut Pro that I want to review to you now. So just look at the comment section, check the comment section or the description section. You are going to see the Telegram link there. Just go there, download the CapCut file, then install it like I'm doing right now. Do you get? So that's it. So I'm installing it. So let's wait. Let's wait. Installing. Don't forget to clear the cache of the one you already have, the free version. Clear the cache first, then you clear the data. Once you are done clearing the data, you uninstall it before installing this Pro edition. Yeah, this Pro version which you see on my Telegram page. Do you get? So I'm installing it. So let's wait. So I'm done installing, then I will open it. So let's, okay, this is it. Let me just click on that join to, I just want to cancel that stuff. Let me cancel it, then click on agree and continue. Then this is how the interface of the Pro version looks like. Almost the same thing. Just click on that skip. Then this is the interface, the discover section, and I will click. Can you see Pro, free Pro for up to 30 days? Don't mind them. You are already using the Pro edition. You're already using the Pro version. Then I will click on that new video. I will click on allow, then cancel that one. So let me look for video that I can add. So let me use the first one that I use. Do you get? The one that I used the other time? Then I'll click on add. So you notice this thing, just click on close. Okay, click on close. So this is them just trying to advertise something. Just click on close. Then yeah, I think we added effects the other time. So let me look for, so I want you to notice something. It was showing diamonds, then it won't be showing it now because we have already gotten another one, which is not the free one, which is not the free app. Can you see now? Can you see? If you notice something, the other time when we were doing it, it was showing diamond. So there is no more diamond here. So meaning we are now on CapCut Pro. We can use any feature. You can do captions. Actually, this video that I'm editing, there is nothing like voiceover there. So that's why I won't be generating captions, but you can try it out. It will work perfectly for you. If this video is really helpful, if you are doing it as I'm doing it right now and you are getting it, please and please kindly hit that subscribe button. Please, I really need it. I want to subscribe, like, comment and share, because this is this is something you would have gotten outside for probably 5k or 10k, and you are now getting it for free here. Please and please, I want you to subscribe. So now let's keep checking. So these are the effects. I'm under the classic right now, so you just take your time to check everything. So actually the one that we used the other time, I did not see it here. So let me just, we saw this one that looks like fire that I was talking about the other time. So let me just use it now. So let me just, okay, I've added it to my video. Then yeah, so just try to check some other features. And yeah, so, and I would want you to also comment at that comment section. Just drop your own opinion, what you see about this stuff, because I want I want you to actually put something there under that comment section, whether this is helpful or not. So this is under sticker. So you can use any sticker you like. You can edit. I believe you already know how to edit edit videos. And if you want me to make a video about that on how to edit videos, uh you can just tell me. You can just tell me at the comment section, then I will do justice to that. So these are the pro features which I have just shown you right now. So actually there are many on this app, so that's why I say you should check it out. So I click on that AI UHD, then I want to decrease the resolution to 480. You can do any resolution you want. Just know that the higher the resolution, the higher your video size. Do you get? So for the frame rate, I leave it at that. Then this is me trying to export. So if they're telling you something like this, just click on export anyway, or probably you might not see something like this. Do you get? So this is a free CapCut Pro. Free CapCut Pro. So as you can see now, it's working perfectly for me, and I believe it is going to work perfectly for you as well. Please and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. No, I really don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your friends who are struggling to get CapCut Pro. Please and please. So that will be the end of this video. That will be the end of this video. So yeah, see you in my next video.